There's our son. Oh, look at that. Taking down all of our videos. Hey, Mikey. It looks like he's wearing a skirt, but it's really not. Actually, I guess they're DVDs. Video is so... it's not cool anymore. So the 90s, huh? He's officially crowing. I don't know if everyone can see this. And it's way, way, way exciting for us. Mike threw his back out today.
Howdy.
While using the chainsaw. Luckily he didn't lose a limb.
Yeah. Cutting off a couple
Just the ones that he was aiming for. Mikey, look over here. Hello, darling. There you go. Come on. Oh, you almost got it. It keeps moving on you, huh? Poor Daddy. Say, poor Dadums. Mikey, clap. 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 You learned how to clap today.